This is Cubot P50, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set Opera as your default browser app on this device. First of all, you need to launch the settings. Next, enter the Apps and Notifications category, expand the available settings, go for the default apps, browser app, and in here simply select Opera. That is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself. So for this way, you gotta launch the Opera. Next, at the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar, then go for settings, scroll the page down for a little bit, and you gotta simply look for this default browser section, then click on next, select Opera, and choose to set it as default app for browsing. So that would be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.